Hate my dress code, Gucci this, Fendi that. What you expect, ho? Nickname Esco. Took this game to its threshold. Best flow, I bet the whole US know. Try to make it like you the realest, but who the illest? Think we all know the answer to that, cause niggas feel us, right?
You think I'ma come this far and let you niggas stop me now? I hate you now.
You can hate me now,
I won't stop.
but I won't stop now.
Can't stop.
Cause I can't stop now.
You can hate me.
You can hate me now,
I hate you too.
but I won't stop now.
You can hate me now.
Cause I can't stop now. You can hate me now.
You can hate me now.
You can hate me now.
I like this. I like the way this feels. Let's go.
It's a thin line between paper and hate. Friends and snakes, 9 millies and 38s. Hell or the pearly gates. I was destined to come, predicted. Blame God, he blew breath in my lungs. Second to none, wicked turn wives to widows. Shoot through satin pillows, the desolate one. Took a little time to claim my spot. Chairman of the board until this game stopped, and I side with the Lord. Ride for the cause while driving niggas shot at my doors. Plotting, I'm sure they catch me with their glocks to my jaws. Tried sticking me up, but I flipped on these ducks. Instead of me, ambulances were picking them up. Niggas fear what they don't understand, hate what they can't conquer. Guess it's just the fury of man. Became a monster, on top of the world, never falling. I'm as real as they come, from day one, forever balling. Come on.
You ain't never seen a nigga like me ever in your life. Never. That's what you can't understand.
Come on.
But I won't stop now.
Can't stop.
Cause I can't stop now.
You can hate me.
You can hate me now,
I hate you too.
but I won't stop now.
You can hate me now.
Cause I can't stop now.
Hate me now.
You can hate me now.
You can hate me now.
You can hate me now. You can hate me now.
Come on, niggas.
Hate me now.
But
Do
I
it
won't
now.
stop now.
Get
But I
this
won't
shit
stop
over
now.
with. It ain't gonna never stop,
Can't
niggas.
stop. Can't stop.
The obscure hand I move in, fingertips straight to new string. Lurking about unknown the ghost, you won't move limbs. That a dude's win when I boost the trim. That's the switch, you're my slave, yeah, you're my bitch. Jerk your whole life right out the ditch. You win, now you're just my John Malkovich. Yo, you can ask me the truth about foreign beggars. Are we truly the Illuminati? No, it's something like the Truman Show, bro, we're moving nasty. Mood is ghastly, fuck your life. Enter my zone, let the fungus strike. You've been inducted to the hive where
choosing for you.
Dream catcher, heed that, seed snatcher, detach, scheme hatcher, cheap plans that I leave fractured, digitize, evolution, reprogram the retribution, celebrating my institution, I'm interested in your dissolution, my wisdom pins on your disillusion, no mysticism, this shit is proven, so intricate, I infiltrate to dissipate through this intrusion, this the moment I bring the truth in, my improvement is your conclusion, every moment these lips are moving, I'm
choosing for you.